Hello, boys and girls. Thank you for joining me here again today. Today we are starting a new unit on the vowel digraph IE. Now, as you can see from the screen, the vowel digraph IE can actually make two different sounds. So we're going to spend some time this week looking at both those sounds. Today, however, we're just going to look at one of those sounds, and that is the long I sound. Do you remember what the long I sound makes? What is it? I. That's good. That's correct. And you can see that we're going to be looking at those this week. Now, I want to practice writing them because we always practice writing what we're learning. So go ahead and get out your whiteboard and marker or your paper and pencil, whatever you need. If you need to pause the video, that's fine. Just to go ahead and get it. I'm going to get mine out too. And let's practice writing them. Why don't we write them 5 times each today, okay? Why don't you write it with me and say the sound when you make it. Now remember, today we're looking at how IE says the I sound. So let's write it. I. 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 Did you practice that with me? I'm glad you did. Thank you for doing that. Now, what I want to work on next is blending some words that have the IE sound, that have the I sound spelled IE. So, let's move on and let's see if we can blend some words together. So we're going to read these. All right, are you ready? Ready? Sound. P. Sound. I. Hold it together. Pie. Good job. Let's do another one. Sound. T. Sound. I. Put it together. Tie. Let's try one that's a little bit different. Sound. K. Sound. Hold it together. I. Cry. Hold it. Cries. Cries. Hopefully this lesson's not making you do that. Let's do another one. Sound. T. Sound. Hold it together. I. Tried. And it's the word tried. Tried. Now, let's review some of the letters and sounds, some of the sounds that we've learned this year. Cool. Sn. Sh. Were. Sw. W. Ing. Or. I. A. And then down here I have the two sounds that IE make. IE says I, and IE can also say E. Now, just a minute ago we practiced blending some words out loud together. Now we're going to try some quiet blending in our heads. So I'm going to put the letters up on the screen, but don't say anything until I get to the end of the word. See if you can blend them together. Pie. tie. Die. Lie. Cried. Spies. Tries. Dried. Very good. Now, what I want to do next is we are going to do some word chaining. And if you remember from word training in the past, what we do is we either add something, we take something away, or we swap it for something new. So here we have the word tie. Say tie. Now, let's add a d at the end. What's the new word? Tied. Now let's swap it. Let's change the d to s. What's the new word? Ties. Good job. Now say ties again, but change the t to all. Lies. Let's say lies again, but this time change the s to d. What's the new word? Lied. Say lied again, but let's get rid of the d. What's left? Lie. Let's say lie again, but change the ul to d. What's our new word? Die. Say die again, but add an s at the end. Dies. Say dies again, but change the s to d. Died. Say died again, this time change the I to a. What's the new word? Dad. I changed it up on you at the end, didn't I? I hope you were paying attention and caught what I did. Thank you for joining me again today. We will try, next time we meet, we will look at the IE that makes the E sound. But today, of course, we looked at IE saying I. Thank you for reading with me today. You're getting better all the time. I hope you enjoy it as much as me. Thank you.